Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is certainly getting challenged here, or the bullish wave count is certainly getting challenged. With GALA, the situation is that I can count a WXY structure here complete. Yeah? I can count here a wave W, here an X wave, and the Y wave to the downside. So we have a three-wave move basically complete. Even in the Y wave, I have an A wave, I have a B wave, and the C wave, which can be complete. Now, what you need to understand is that this is not a guarantee that it is a WXY. I'm only counting it as a WXY at the moment, because if it makes one more low, it's going to go bearish anyway. So this is either the count, because it's come down so low and so close to invalidation. Invalidation is basically the 1.55 cent level, which is the December 22 low. Okay, so it has to be a WXY if it's bullish. If it makes one more low, then I think we were going to invalidate the bullish case anyway. So there's no point for me to count an ABC structure, which would allow for one more low, because if it's doing one more low, yeah, again, it's most likely going to invalidate it anyway. That would be my view. I mean, you can never rule out that it rallies if it makes one more low, still, basically will end below 1.55. You can never rule it out, but the point is that honestly, if it makes one more low below the last one, which was at 1.82 cents, it is so close to 1.55, which would be the invalidation point for that 1-2 setup, which is the bullish wave count. Yeah, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, and a WXY, which could rally in a third wave afterwards. It comes so close. Double bottoms very rarely hold. So again, it has to be a WXY. If it's not, then we're dealing here with, and I showed you a bearish wave count, for example, on the BNB chart. It's very similar. I would then look at this as a wave 1, basically a leading diagonal, or part of an ending, the wave 1 of an ending diagonal, because it's a three-wave structure, would be an ABC. And we have an ABC in a wave 2 here. And then we're looking at this as an ABC in a wave 3, which could be nearly finished. Might go down a little lower with one more low. Then we should get a wave 4 at some point. We could get one more low afterwards in a wave 5. So this is the bearish count, which I think is very, very likely already. And the reason for that is because price has broken and sustained below the 78.6 retracement. So all over the last few weeks, we actually expected a move down below the 78.6 fib level, because a lot of targets were below that level. It did go through all these targets and reached the last one here, but even that was broken briefly, but it recovered. The thing is, below the last low, there is no target level left, no Fibonacci extension left. And any break below the 78.6 fib level is, of course, not good for the bullish case, and it seems to be sustaining below that level. Yeah, it's not like, okay, we did break below it and we're recovering quickly. So yeah, another low is very likely, I have to say, but eventually we just need to wait for the price. But the problem is, at the moment, it doesn't even try to make a strong effort to break back above that 78.6 retracement at 2.56 cents. Yeah. So yeah, for me, I mean, yeah, okay, 6.3 cents, 6.4% upside, but zoom out, I just, it's at the moment not enough yet. And also volume is literally not there. If you zoom out a little bit, just look at the volume here. It's just not picking up really. So yeah, I think situation should be clear. We just need to wait now for a reaction. But what I see at the moment is just corrective. Okay, it's for me an ABC structure. So it suggests one more low, and then it's likely going to fill in the bearish count. Just be aware that 1.55 cents is, even though it's still a bullish support level, because it can still theoretically hold above that level, for me, the magical level is always the 78.6 fib level. Yeah? So even if this was going to become bullish, I couldn't see it yet, because the move up at best would be a leading diagonal. Yeah, it's not impulsive. So for this to become something bullish, I need to see the next larger degree. So I need to see here a wave 1, a wave 2. I need to see a 3, 4, 5. The wave 3 would need to reach the 1.618 fib extension. So that would be, as a minimum, 2.84 cents. So I'm not telling you now it's going to reach it. I'm telling you what I need to see to be able to confirm to you that price has bottomed. I need to see those 5 waves up with a minimum target for wave 3 highlighted. And then I need to see a pullback in an ABC structure. Higher low, okay? This is not yet enough. It's just one high and one higher low. That's not enough. It's not enough because also here, what you would be able to count as a wave 1, it could just be this. It could be an A wave. This could be a B wave. And now the C wave. It's only after the wave 4 and 5 are done that we can say we have more, there is certain likelihood that we've bottomed. In addition to that, I want to see a break above that fear candle where the sell-off started, as explained before. And that started sort of here around 2 point, where are we? Let me go to the daily chart. It's basically that candle, isn't it, here, where the volume started on the day. So yeah, about above 2.56 cents. That is basically a break above the 78.6 retracement. Yeah, not much more to add. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.